Dearest grandchild, I'm so pleased that you have made it this far. Well done. You have retraced my steps and completed the dig and have now successfully made it to the pyramid. You have seen the ways these ancient puzzles are designed and have gained the insight and intelligence you require to complete the next series of puzzles. You are so close to rescuing me and finding the treasure of ancient Egypt. Now get on your way. Time is running out. Move with speed and accuracy, so I may see you once again. Yours truly, Grandpa Jacob Henderson.
Hello beautiful people and welcome back to another video. I'm Milton Jacobo and today we're going to be looking at a new puzzle box called the Pyramid. I know it's been a bit since we've been able to put up a video because recently we were in the process of moving and got all kind of chaotic. I broke my thumb and there was just a lot going on, but I'm glad to have this out for you guys today, and yeah, let's jump right into it. Okay. Today I'm trying a different camera angle, so if you don't like it, then leave a comment down below, and I'll try to fix it. I'm trying to make it as best as possible for you guys. But yeah, let's jump right into it. So, first we're gonna, take a look around. So, we've got this little gap here, and we have these little gaps here. We have a little knob here, but can't really twist it. I can't get my fingers in there. And we have a little gap down here. We have a hole here, and we have a hole here. Where should we start? And also, from the previous puzzle, the dig site, go check it out. We got this puzzle, this little piece here. So let's see where we can insert it. So we can insert it here. We could insert it here. And that looks about it. So let's start with this. Let's put it in there. Sounds like there's something going on, but that must mean that we have to unlock something else first. Why don't we try it in here? Huh, that doesn't do anything. So first, maybe we have to do something else. So if we take a look here, why are there tiles here? Tiles normally means you can slide something. Ah. No. Oh, you can push that in there. And that drops down. Okay. Which accesses this little thing. Is there anything back there? Can't really tell. What if we put this in here? Okay, so what if we twist this? Huh. We got this little box. Doesn't look like much. Look in here. Doesn't really look like anything. You can see some gears in there. And by the way, this is the first time that we've ever used gears in a puzzle, so if it's not great, then this is our first time, so we're just learning. So we can probably take this out now. We still have this hole, and this hole. So let's see. What would we need this for? Doesn't seem that much. What's this little thing in the middle? What if we... Ah! There's a tool inside. Pretty clever. Okay. So we can either put it in here or in here. Let's try here first. It's not sliding. Push. Push that. No, doesn't look like there's much there. What if we put it in here? Anything gonna happen? Push. Sounds like something happened. Nothing looks much different. What if I go to this hole over here now? Nope. Oh. This little thing came off. Interesting. So, we can actually pull this out. And we actually have a hole here. What if we twist it? Whoa. Looks like a key. Can we insert this anywhere? First I want to see that transition. Oh, beautiful. Let's see, can we put this in here? No, in here. That's where it came from. That must mean that this is a key to the next puzzle, which means that you gotta stick around. Now let's quickly reset this thing. And that's the pyramid. Thank you all so much for watching. I know it's been a while since the video's come out, and this one is this is a bit more different puzzle since we use gears, and we purchased some gears just so that we could try it out, and we thought this was a decent first attempt to using gears. If you have any suggestions for us, leave it down in the comments below. And, yeah. Have a wonderful day. Stay tuned for more.